So, hi everyone again. I just want to talk about what is the directionality in education in Mexico, because we're spending a lot of time in education, in workshops, in courses, in training events. So, I will try to talk about this in this talk. The definition I found in internet is that education is a long-term process focused on acquiring information. On the other side, training is a short process that teaches the specialized skills required to execute tasks. So what I have been doing all this time is training, because I just help people to get the specialized skills they need. This is like a little bit complex, because what we are trying to do in the Mexican community is to have specialized people that can also train other people. So it's the same strategy that Robert was telling. The snowball effect makes me come into the community of teaching, and then I have one professor from the middle school that told me that the person who teaches learns twice. And actually, I'm trying to learn how to teach, because it's very complicated for me to understand some biology concepts, and then I have to teach this knowledge to the other generations, and then they will be the person that will be training other people. So in the exchange, the diagram that Robert shows, when you pass from a student to trainer to organizers, I was just a student from Madan. Then I get a trainer from some schools in worship schools, and then actually I'm organizing some events. So it has been a long way, but it's possible. And 2 years ago, Adan, my actually boss, Chris Wood from the Advanced Microscopy Laboratory, and also Diego Delgado from CISESE, gets this grant from CSI. And the main idea for this grant was, in the words of the people in charge, that this grant will lay the groundwork of forming the Mexican bioimaging community through the decentralized education workshops program based in existing imaging core facilities that brings together imaging and biomedical researchers. In Mexico, we have like 10 core facilities. However, they are very centralized. All of them are in the center of Mexico, and like 3 are at the top and in the center of Latin America. So this grant tried to decentralize all of these knowledge and all of these institutions to make it more accessing facilities to all the Mexicans. So they planned 12 workshops, 6 in fundamentals in microscopy and 6 in advanced topics. The first one was in Cuernavaca. Most of them are the staff from core facilities in Mexico. Also, I think there is Pablo Loza from Spain that is Mexican. And here is Paul. And maybe here is Adan. So the page of Mexican Imaging Workshops is this one, if you want to go and see what we have done. These are 8 of the 12 workshops we have planned. I'm participating, I'm not planning. But most of them are on fundamentals of microscopy. 6 of them will be in advanced microscopy, like this one that is Mexican Bioimaging Workshop 8, that is in light sheet microscopy and tissue expansion. And I have been involved in 4 of them. And also I have work or be part of the plans to three other workshops that have been done the last year, I think so. This one was virtual, also in image analysis. That was also Paula Nadan. Another one that is in super resolution microscopy that have been, was in Mexico, another in Argentina, and the last August we have the Congress in super resolution microscopy, and also we was part of the image analysis and data reuse from global bioimaging that was also in Cuernavaca. That I want to show with these slides is that I have been involved in a lot of workshops and courses. For me, it's a lot. I have not enough time to do other projects, but I found that there is a lack of knowledge in the people or the students or participants that attend to the courses, because as Agustin said, most of them are in one of the islands of the archipelago. So it's very, very complicated to put them together and just have a lot of microscopy, a lot of image sample preparation, or I don't know, just have a lot of information and then they don't know how to do with this information. So this is my second question about what skills are essential for bioimage analyst. For me, I think this is, if we can say that we are analysts is most statistics. It's most to have an analysis of what you are doing. So you can have all these skills, but how would you analyze your data? So statistics is more important for me. That's for me. Another thing that I am working on, I'm a CEO of a startup company that is Educaciencia. The last year I meet Alessandro Rosetta. Alessandro Rosetta is the CEO from EducaFlim. From the Film Lab, sorry. This device is called EducaFlim. We are develop this device to make educational microscopes with a low cost and only for educational purposes to teach film imaging, and also to have these resources on universities and middle school. Finally, I want to show you that we are trying to make all the available the tools that we use in our workshops to translate them to Spanish to make more accessible. Like this, we will have this workshop on multiplex and artificial intelligence in Guatemala. So we are trying to put all the information in Spanish to make it more accessible.